In this question, the author says a major network news organization experienced a drop in viewership. Okay, this news organization experienced a drop in viewership in the week following the airing of a controversial report on the economy. Okay, so it aired a controversial report on the economy. Okay, and in the week following that, so in the immediately next week, it experienced a drop in viewership. Okay, so are people not happy with that controversial report? So first of all, you need to understand this is a correlation that two things happened one after the other. We don't know whether one is the cause of the other, but it could be. The network also received a very large number of complaints regarding the report. Oh, so this news organization, this network, received a very large number of complaints. So that further increases the belief that probably this drop was because of the report. The network, however, maintains that negative reactions to the report had nothing to do with its loss of viewers. Okay, so there is a contrast, and contrast makes sense here because given the first two lines, it seems that the drop in viewership was because of this controversial report, right? The network also received a very large number of complaints. But the network right now is saying that no, 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 no. Negative reactions had nothing to do with its loss of viewers. So this is not the reason for the drop in viewership. The reason is probably something else, according to the network. Okay, this is what we are supposed to strengthen, support the network position. Okay, the other major network news organizations. Okay, this is a major network news organization. Now we are talking about others. Reported similar reductions in viewership during the same week. So during the same week, other organizations are also reporting a similar reductions. So it's not just applicable to this news organization, it's essentially applicable to every major network news organization. So it seems to be then the cause is something else. Probably Olympics are going on or something, people are not watching news for some reason, right? So this strengthens that negative reactions had nothing to do because the cause seems to be something else, because this is not just applicable to this network news organization, it's applicable to others also. So this is a valid strengthener. Option B, the viewers who registered complaints were regular viewers of the news organization's programs. Now they were regular, or let's say they were not regular. We know that they have registered complaints and there has been a drop in viewership. So does it strengthen that, okay, if they were regular viewers, the negative reactions had nothing to do with the loss of viewers? Uh, no, why can't regular viewers stop viewing? Right? If they are registering complaints, they can also stop viewing the uh, news channel, right? And so this doesn't seem to have much of an impact whether they were regular viewers or they were not regular viewers. There is a drop and there are complaints. Regular viewers can also stop watching the news. This seems to be more or less no impact. There is a very slight tinge uh, of positivity supporting, because if they were regular viewer, there is a slight chance that they may not really stop viewing uh, the channel, but very close to the magnitude is very, very small, so it's almost no impact. Option C, major network news organizations publicly attribute drops in viewership to their own reports. Okay, so these organizations publicly attribute, basically say that the cause of drop is their own reports only when they receive complaints. So only when they receive complaints do they really attribute drop in viewership to their own reports. This network organization has already received a large number of complaints. The point is, it's still not saying that negative reactions are the reason for the loss of viewers. And that's what we are trying to strengthen, that actually it's not negative reaction, that's something else that is the reason for the loss of viewers. So this has no impact on our point. Option D, this was not the first time. Okay, this was not the first time that this network news organizations, this our network news organization, has aired a controversial report on the economy that has inspired viewers to complain to the network. So it means that this network news organization has earlier also aired such controversial reports. Okay, so if it has earlier also done that, does it mean that negative reactions won't lead to loss of viewers? No, why not? Right? Even earlier also it could have led to loss of viewers. We are not given anything about that, right? If we were given that the news organization has earlier also raised such controversial aired such controversial reports, but there was no drop in its viewers, then it would strengthen. But right now it's just saying it has done it before. Okay, it has done it before, but what happened the last time? Did it experience a drop in viewers? We are not given anything. So just knowing that it has done it before has really no impact. Most network news viewers rely on network news broadcasts as their primary source of information regarding the economy. Okay, so most viewers rely on these broadcasts as their primary source. Okay, so right, so okay, these viewers rely on these network news broadcasts as their primary source. So what? So whether they rely on these as the primary source or not, how does it have anything to do with our point whether the negative reactions led to the loss of viewers or not? This is completely irrelevant. This has no impact. So option A is the answer.